In this video, we will compare Wireguard versus Cloudflare. When comparing Wireguard and Cloudflare, it's always important to understand that they serve different purposes in the realm of internet security and performance. Wireguard is a modern open source VPN protocol known for its simplicity, speed and security. It uses state-of-the-art cryptography to provide efficient and low-efficient solutions for secure communication over the internet. Wireguard is typically setting up for private VPN connections, offering secure remote access to networks and ensuring your privacy while browsing the internet. Its lightweight design makes it fast than traditional VPNs, and it's suitable for both individuals and enterprises looking to enhance their network security. In contrast, Cloudflare is a service provider that offers a range of solutions, including content delivery, DDoS protection, and web application firewalls. Cloudflare's primary focus is to improve web speed, security and availability. With its global network of data centers, it offers a suite of services to protect websites from cyber attacks and ensure a fast connection delivery to wide users. While Cloudflare provides a VPN service for personal use, it's mainly known for its robust security capabilities aimed at protecting websites and improving all users' experience. Overall, Wireguard is designed to create private encrypted tunnels for secure network communication, while Cloudflare is focusing on enhancing your website performance, security and uptime for your business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.